Hello, today we will show you how to change the armature of an Endico router. First, open the router's end cover. Then open the carbon brush cap and remove the carbon brush from it. Next, open the height stopper screw and open the FA knob. Doing this will separate the base of your machine. Then open the screws of the bearing cover. And after that, remove the collet nut. Use a puller to push the armature out. This will remove the armature completely. With the help of manual press tool, remove the old armature from the bearing cover. And with the help of puller, remove the bearing from old armature. Fit the bearing to the new armature. And fit the new armature into the bearing cover. After that, fit the new armature into the machine and tap it with a soft hammer. Then tighten the bearing cover with the screw. After that, attach the collet and collet nut. Then fit the base of the machine. Attach the FA knob and tighten it with the height stopper screw. After that, insert the carbon into the machine. After fitting the carbon, attach the cap and tighten it with a screwdriver. Keep in mind, do not over tighten the cap. Fit the end cover of the machine. So that's it. After doing this, you have changed the armature and now your machine is completely ready to run. To buy a genuine Endico armature, please visit our website or contact us now. Thank you.